Hey Chalk Nation, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. Your girl done got a little heavy, so we finna bring it back down in the gym. I'm gonna try on some pajamas I got from Five Below to see if they fit. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite pistachio bath and body care routine. We're gonna have us a nice cup of coffee, and I'm gonna do a nail tutorial on my first set of the holiday season, so let's get into it. Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. Welcome back to Vlogmas, and we in the gym with it this morning, okay? Today is Monday, so I am restarting and getting my life back on track. Today is December 2nd, and I just feel like it's time for me to get my life together, okay? Hear me out. Your girl likes to eat, okay? Food be good, but I feel the weight gain, I see the weight gain, and I'm a little bit uncomfortable. So when I start getting uncomfortable, that's how I know it's time for me to get on my shit. We're not waiting until January 1st. We're not making this our New Year's resolution. We just making this our lifestyle, and we finna start right now. The time is now, okay? And I don't know who needs to hear or see this. I know y'all are here for the nails and all the beauty stuff that I do on my channel, but I figured I would put this, into Vlogmas as well, just in case somebody needs a little bit of motivation in the Chalk Nation. I got you, boo. I got you. If don't nobody else got you, Chalk got you, okay? You can do this. Anybody that needs some motivation, I got you. We in this together, Chalk Nation. And with that being said, my workout is complete, so I am about to go to the house, take me a shower. I'm gonna make me a protein shake and some coffee, and then we are going to get into doing these nails. So I took my shower, I had my protein shake. I just need to make me a nice cup of coffee, which we're gonna get to that in a second, but I wanted to try on these pajamas that I showed you guys in my first Vlogmas video from Five Below, and I also wanted to show you guys today's body combo. So grab you a cup of coffee and let's get comfy. First things first, we gotta put on some deodorant. And aluminum-free deodorant is definitely the safest route to go. I got this one from Dollar Tree. It's by Power Stick. It's in the scent Brazilian Musk, and it smells so fresh and wonderful. Up next, we going in with my favorite EOS lotion. The Creme de Pistachio is really that girl. And she's that girl because she keeps you so soft and fresh all day long. It's a nice, thick but not too thick consistency. I put it on all over my body, and I can go to work and come back home and I'ma still smell like pistachio. Gotta hit them elbows. Oh, it smells so good. If I could eat it, I wish I could eat it. Up next, we going in with that Pistachio Dream perfume oil by Sand and Fog. It smells so good. And it's not a nutty pistachio, it's more of a fresh pistachio. I got it from TJ Maxx for $16.99, and it's definitely worth it. I always put a little bit around my neck, my chest, and between my thighs. So now that we all lotioned up and got our body perfume oil on, let's try on these pajamas. So I started with the shirt. First, it's so cute. It says feeling jolly. I'm wearing a size 1X. It's so cute. It did not come with the pants. I bought the pajama pants separately. So let's get into the pajama pants. I got a size 2X. I sized up. I'm normally a 1X, but look at how much stretch these pants got. Let's hope it's enough stretch to get over this hump I got back there, okay? Your girl is thick, okay? I'm 5'6", I weigh 250 pounds. And let's just say it is more than enough room in these pants for all of this body, okay? I definitely could have sized down, but of course I got to be on the safe side and size up when I'm shopping because there was no way for me to try them on. They didn't have a try on spot, but I'm so glad that they fit and they go all the way to the floor. As y'all can see, they are not stopping at the ankles or the calf like some pants do that are on the cheaper side, but the quality is good and they are so comfortable. So now that we got our PJs on, this is the last layer that we need to apply is our perfume and our body spray. So this is Jasmine and Cashmere perfume that I got from TJ Maxx as well for only $15.99. And then I layered it with my Finery Pistachio body spray. If y'all don't know about Finery, I'm putting y'all up on the Finery perfumes and body sprays. They have them at Target. They are definitely budget friendly and they smell so good. The perfume body spray I think was $12 and the perfume is about $20 or $30, but it is so worth it. They smell so good. And nowadays with perfume being over $100, the cheaper perfumes are definitely stepping their game up and they smell so good. Now let's make us a nice cup of coffee. Okay, so I am going to make some peppermint mocha iced coffee. I got these really cute candy cane spoons from Dollar Tree. I got the peppermint mocha cold brew coffee from Target. I got the Chobani peppermint mocha creamer from Target. And also the peppermint mocha cold foam came from Target as well. The peppermints that I crushed up with my bare hands, I got those from Dollar Tree. By the way, for the record, those were soft peppermints, okay? I know I got hands, but my hands ain't that strong to just be busting through some peppermints. So now let's get into the nail tutorial. I got these really cute reindeer candy cane snowflake press-on nails from Temu. Back in October, I did a happy Hallow Thanksmas video, which Hallow Thanksmas means Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas. So I bought a bunch of Halloween, Thanksgiving, and Christmas nails in October because I like to prepare early. So this set is one of the sets from that haul, and what I am doing right now is making sure that my nails are fitting my natural nails from sidewall to sidewall. And I think I paid about $2 for these nails, and for them to be only $2, these are definitely giving good quality. They don't bend really easily. They're nice and firm at the tip, more flexible at the cuticle, which is perfect when it comes to press-on nails. And they have a nice curve to them that fit my nail beds really good. We still got about 3 weeks until Christmas, so if you guys would like to get these nails, I will make sure that I link them in the description of this video. So after I sized all of my fingers, this is how the set is going to look on my hands. We have that candy cane nail for our thumb and our pinkies. We got the 2 reindeer nails in between, and then on our ring finger we have the snowflake nail. And this set is so cute. I cannot wait to get it on. So let's start applying these nails, but first we have to get into our nail prep. And as y'all can see, my nails is looking jacked up right now. So I'm so glad to be putting on another set. I gave my fingers a rest from the last set that I had on for about a week, and I was so ready to put a new set on. So I'm so glad the holidays are here and I can put my Christmas nails on. So I just clipped all my nails down. And the nails did come with a nail file and a cuticle pusher. So I am going to go to step 2 and push my cuticles back. I usually don't have to push my cuticles back, but this time they were really thick and they just needed it this time. So I just took the cuticle stick that came with the nails and gently pushed my cuticles back. I'm not doing this rough at all. You don't want to hurt yourself. So when doing this step, just make sure you are gently pushing your cuticles back and not being too aggressive. So now that my cuticles are pushed back, we are moving on to step 3, which is to take the nail file that came with the nails and file that shine from the top of my natural nails. This step ensures that your glue will adhere to your natural nails a lot better and your nails will last longer. And you also need a roughened dry surface before you apply the press on nails. That also helps your nails to stick really well. So this is what my fingers look like after I have gently buffed that shine from the top of my natural nails. I have a spray bottle that I use for step 4. It has alcohol and acetone in it, 50-50 parts of each, and I use this as my nail dehydrator. This further dehydrates your nails, and it's a good nail dehydrator hack. If you don't have nail dehydrator, get you some acetone and alcohol, mix it together in a spray bottle, and there's your nail dehydrator. I actually learned that from one of my subscribers. So if you watching, drop a comment, girl. Hey, thank you for that tip, because I've been wearing it out, girl, okay? I ain't bought no nail dehydrator since you told me to do that. And I am applying these nails with the Beauty Secrets nail glue. This is a really good nail glue. If you don't know about this nail glue, I'm about to put you on, okay? I got it on Amazon. It has that little plug that plugs into the tip to keep the nail glue from getting clogged right there. These nails are going to last about 3 weeks if I let them, which I'm probably not because I got more content to do. But just know that if you apply your nails with this nail glue, it's going to be very tough to take them off, and your nails will definitely last at least 3 weeks to a month. So I highly recommend this glue. So I just put just enough glue to where I can see there's a nice bubble of glue on my nail. And then I'm going to grab that press on nail. We're going to line it up with the cuticle area, press into the cuticle, and then press down onto the rest of our finger. And we're going to hold and press for about 30 seconds. I'm also pressing in the center of the nail, and then I'm also going to press against the side walls so that I have full coverage press all over my natural nail. And just like that, the nail is on. So I'm gonna do it one more time for the girls that didn't get it the first time. What you gonna do? You're gonna put you a nice bubble of nail glue. You're gonna line that press on nail up with your cuticle, press down into the cuticle, and then press down onto the remainder of your nail. Press the center of the nail and hold against your side walls to make sure you have full coverage press all over your natural nails. And you want to do that for 30 seconds, at least 30 seconds, because I know they say you can let go of the nail after 10 seconds, but that doesn't always work. But if you want your nails to last long, I highly recommend putting that nice bubble of glue and holding that nail down for at least 30 seconds. As you guys can see, I did my right hand off camera. I did my right hand first before I put any nails on my left hand because I am right-handed. Imagine trying to put some nails onto your dominant hand with nails on your non-dominant hand. It's going to be a lot harder. So I always do my right hand first, and then I'm ready to start applying them onto my left hand because I can do my left hand much quicker with nails because I'm actually right-handed. You get it? You get it? It gotta make sense. You gotta work smarter, not harder. So now that I have all the nails on, I am going to take the nail file that came with the nails and just straighten out the tips a little bit. Some press-ons always come with that little extra piece on the tips, so I'm just filing that little extra piece down and making the tips of my nails nice and crispy. And I could have literally just left these nails alone as they are. They're already shiny and they really don't need a top coat. But y'all know me, I want my nails to give that extra salon quality look and finish. So I am going to apply a base coat first, and then I'm also going to apply a top coat. I also got this base and top coat from Shein, and I will also link it in the description of this video. Now this is gel base coat and top coat, so in order to cure it and dry it, you have to use a full power LED nail lamp. I got this one from Temu as well. It was only 10 bucks. So I'll make sure I link the nail lamp in the description as well. I do believe that nail lamp in particular has been upgraded, so I will make sure I put the upgraded one into the description. So we're going in with our base coat first. You do not need to put an extra thick base coat on, but you do want to make sure all your nails are fully coated from sidewall to sidewall, from cuticle to the tip of the nail. You want to make sure that base coat is all over the nail, because the base coat is what your top coat is going to stick to. After I put that base coat on, I cured it for 60 seconds, and I am applying the top coat now. And you want to do the same thing with your top coat. You don't need to apply it super thick. It's a thick consistency already, so you don't want to go overboard when you're applying your top coat. Just put a nice even layer all over your nails. So we're adding 2 extra layers of thickness to the press-on nails, so these will definitely last long. The nails are already pretty thick, so with adding that extra layer of base coat and then adding the top coat, these nails are going to be nice and thick, and they're definitely going to give acrylic. So after applying the top coat, I set my nail lamp for 60 seconds and I let that top coat cure for 60 seconds. And boom, just like that, we got a salon quality nail set in the comfort of our own home. You cannot tell me that these nails are not giving nail salon. And of course, I have to put some oil on my cuticles. I do not condone crusty cuticles, especially after you just put on a nice fresh set. Y'all better be oiling them cuticles, okay? And this is the finished look of the nails. Thank you guys for tuning into this episode of Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the information of everything that has a link will be linked in the description of this video. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the content I have coming. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.